clock strikes 12 on the rusted rail. The wind begins to moan and wail. A mist rose in, the air grows cold. To wake a story left untold. No schedule, it's this midnight run. It flies away from the morning sun. Hit a whistle, blow a hollow scream. A phantom rolling through a broken dream. Iron wheels on a track of bone. The ghost train rides the night alone. Sparks of green and silver light, cutting through the endless night. Passengers sitting frozen rows, dressed in the clothes of long ago. The conductor walks with a silent tread, checking tickets for the dead. No coal is burning in the grate, just the heavy fuel of time and fate. Hit a whistle, blow a hollow scream. A phantom rolling through a broken dream. Iron wheels on a track of bone. The ghost train rides the night alone. Sparks of green and a silver light, cutting through the endless night. Before the dawn of the modern day, through tunnels sealed with brick and stone, it finds a pathway all its own. You'll hear the rumble, you'll feel the dread, the rhythm of the living dead. As the shadows clear, the click-clack rhythm disappears. Into the fog it slips away, to hide until the end of day. The phantom train rides again into the night.